Our next section is on what does the sun do? So before we begin, I want you to make sure you write your name in the little green box at the top. And we are looking at our standard to identify the beneficial and harmful properties of the sun. So how is it both good and bad for our world? Find the answer to the question in the lesson, what would Earth be like without the sun? Preview the lesson and write the 3 vocabulary terms on these blanks. Pause the video, take care of your vocabulary, and then flip to page 58. On page 58, we need the sun, lighting the way. We get different kinds of energy from the sun. Energy, bold print highlighted vocabulary word, circle it. Energy is something that causes matter to move or change. Keywords move or change. Light, bold print highlighted vocabulary word, circle it. Light is energy that lets us see. We use light from the sun to read and play. Plants use light from the sun to grow. Flip to page 59. You can pause whenever you need to. On page 59 it says warming it up. Heat, bold print highlighted vocabulary word, circle it. Heat is energy that makes things warmer. The sun makes its own heat. The heat from the sun warms land, air, and water on Earth. Basically the whole surface of the Earth. The sun's heat makes Earth warm enough for living things. So without the sun, would it be warm enough for living things? An animal is getting heat. Circle it. Circle the animal somewhere on page 59 that is using the sunlight to warm itself. And then flip to the next page 60. Watch out! Light and heat from the sun can also be harmful. Light can burn our skin. It can hurt our eyes. It can cause some things to fade. Heat can cause some things to melt. The main idea is the most important idea about something. Draw 2 lines under the main idea. So looking up here, we're looking at different ways we should watch out for the sun, because light and heat from the sun can also be harmful. So 2 lines underneath that. And then 1 line underneath the details for that. How can it be harmful? Light can burn our skin, so we get a sunburn. It can hurt our eyes, so it's important to wear protection, like sunglasses. It can cause some things to fade. And in looking at the picture down here, it shows us what a new slide looks like. And it looks, here is a slide faded by the sun. So you'll see it's lighter. And heat can cause some things to melt. So flip to page 61. And we'll see melting ice cream, melting crayons, and we see melting. What is making the crayons and ice cream melt? Circle it. So find something on this page that is making them melt and circle it. When you are finished, flip to page 62. Sun safety. You can stay safe in the sun. Follow the rules below. Staying safe in the sun. 1. Wear sunscreen. 2. Wear clothes that cover your skin. 3. Wear a hat to protect your face. 4. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes. 5. Use an umbrella for shade. 6. Drink a lot of water. And we see the poor sad dog with his tongue sticking out, and it doesn't look like there's any water in his bowl. Flip to page 63. Directions are in this caption box. Some people are not staying safe in the sun. Cut out the pictures from the end of the lesson. Use them to show how the people can stay safe. So that's this page that came at the end of your packet. So as we look at this page, I want you to only cut out one picture at a time. So I see here's an umbrella. So you're going to put an umbrella by the people that do not already have an umbrella to help them stay safe from the sun. I see here's some sunglasses. So you're going to again look at your picture, who doesn't have their sunglasses on, and glue them on. I see a hat. You're going to put a hat on the person that's not wearing their hat. Bless me. I see, yay, some water by the dog's bowl. So you're going to glue that by the poor sad little dog. I also see this says sunscreen, 30 SPF. So you're going to glue the sunscreen bottle somewhere on the picture. And I see a long sleeve shirt for added protection for one of the people in the picture. So you're going to glue the shirt on them. When you're finished with this page, flip to page 64. Sum it up. Solve it. Solve the riddle. I give light to help you see. Earth is warm thanks to me. Somebody's coming in and wants to help solve our pictures. Who's that? Little one, are you supposed to be on this table? Oh dear. Come here. Oh, that was a glimpse of Bam Bam. I think he wants to make sure the dog has water. I give light to help you see. Earth is warm thanks to me. My energy helps plants grow. I'm the closest star you know. What am I? What's our star? Number 2, circle it. Which things help you stay safe from the sun? Circle them. Circle all of the things here that will help you stay safe from the sun's harmful effects. When you're finished, you can flip to the next page, so pause as often as you need to. On page 65 then, use these words to complete the puzzle. Sunscreen, heat, light, energy, sun. The star that gives light and heat to Earth is the one going across. So what is the 3-letter word for the star that gives light and heat to Earth? Number 2 going across. Energy that keeps Earth warm. What is the 4-letter word that keeps us warm? Number 3 going across. Light and heat. So fill in the word for both light and heat are kinds of what? Going down at number 1, the long words for something we wear to protect our skin from the sun. And number 4 going down here, energy that helps us see. Pause whenever you need to. Make sure you have your name on top. And flip to page 66 when you're ready for those directions. Fill in the chart. How is the sun helpful and harmful? We have a column for helpful, which you can find answers on pages 58 to 59. For example, it gives us heat. So you're going to fill in 3 more things that show how the sun is helpful. And harmful is found on page 60. So what are some ways that the sun can be harmful? Their first example, it can burn your skin. Thank you for working with us today.